what's up guys? So there's been this, how do I say it? A pandemic that's been going on. It's coronavirus. And I've been inside this house for a very long time. And I got an idea. Maybe I should try this new project. It's called Coronavirus Game. It's basically Fruit Ninja ripoff, but with viruses. I know. Epic. Not much has been done yet. I have a virus that drops down and changes color. Hey, don't hate on it yet. So we're starting off. Just calm down. Just The first day I really didn't have that much inspiration, so I just decided to like quit for the day and start again tomorrow. See how it goes. Today I was feeling really good about myself. I was getting a lot done. I was coding a lot. The viruses were spawning like they were supposed to, and then they started spawning a little too much how they were supposed to, and then I had a lot on the screen, and that was not good, but it was good. It was progress. Now we just need to add some physics. Physics 101, you know, parabolas, gravity and stuff. Make the viruses fall with style, basically. There you go. How does it look? Well, not that good, right? Maybe we need to tweak it a little bit. Okay, now we're looking solid. So viruses are cool and all, but we need something a bit more exciting. Like PewDiePie would say, if video game has explosions, video game equals cool. Else, video game has small PP. Like you. He probably didn't say that, but you know, it's still true. We need some exciting stuff, okay? Come on, we just need some cool explosions and particle effects and all that. So let's add that. How are we supposed to interact with the viruses and the bombs? Look here, I have a plan, okay? I'm gonna go to YouTube and Google how to do it, okay? So just copy paste this code real quick and boop, we now have a way to interact with the bombs and the fruits. I mean the viruses, you know what I'm saying? It's a Fruit Ninja ripoff, okay? Leave me alone. And if you think this is kind of like not cool, this is what programming is. You go to Stack Overflow and you copy what you see there, okay? So we're gonna work a little bit on the gameplay, and I'm just gonna put a montage here, you know, so you guys can see. Let's move this up a little bit. You guys are nerds, right? Because you guys like watching videos about people coding, but don't like people who code on their videos, which is very strange because you guys always skip it. But I bet you guys noticed that this is Star Wars A New Hope on the terminal, which is pretty epic, right? You guys didn't notice that, right? Look at this, Baby Yoda, right? You guys knew this was Baby Yoda. Of course you guys knew, because you guys are nerds. Yeah, you guys shouldn't skip over the code, because the code is important, very important. We're just gonna keep it as a montage because you guys aren't interested, okay? Okay, so we can destroy viruses, destroy bombs. If we destroy a bomb, we lose lives. If we destroy a virus, we get coins. But I feel like something is missing from it. I feel like you need to feel like you're saving the world, you know? It's a game like coronavirus. The objective is to destroy coronavirus game like Fruit Ninja. But we need to feel like we're saving the world like real heroes, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add how many people you actually save. But I need to know how many people you can actually save. I mean, how many people are in the world? Like 7 billion. But I want to know specifically. You know, I'm gonna divide this thing into levels and all that. So let's look that up. Okay, how many people are in the US? How many people are in Australia? I don't know. I'm gonna Google those stuff up. A lot of people. You can save a lot of people. So let's try and do that. I know you want to be a hero. I know, it's still looking pretty ugly. Maybe you guys should watch next video and see if we make it less ugly, because next video I'm going to add some UI and some nice graphics. Maybe I'll go back and revisit that particle system that we messed up completely. Yeah. Yeah. So follow guys on Instagram, subscribe, like, comment, check out our App Store tier applications. We have more games that are not as ugly as this one. And yeah, see you guys next week.